In the heart of Burlington, this 1880 Italianate Eastlake residence has been restored with remarkable attention to detail, honoring its past while embracing the comfort of today. Inside, natural light fills spacious rooms defined by tall windows, hardwood floors, and refined craftsmanship. The front living room offers warmth and elegance anchored by a gas fireplace. Original pocket doors open to a comfortable media room, perfect for quiet evenings or lively gatherings. The kitchen is designed for the home chef. A Blue Star gas range, convection oven, and slate counters pair with custom cabinetry and a generous island. Banquette dining overlooks the gardens, creating a welcoming space for morning coffee or dinner with friends. On the main floor, a private guest suite with kitchenette, full bath, and separate entrance provides flexibility as an in-law space or successful short-term rental. Upstairs, light-filled bedrooms offer comfort and character. The primary suite is a retreat, with vaulted ceilings, radiant floors, and spa-like finishes. The soaking tub and separate shower bring luxury and calm to everyday life. Climb to the tower level, where views stretch across the treetops toward Lake Champlain. Step outside to landscaped gardens, patios, and a deep city yard framed by mature trees, a rare find in Burlington. From here, it's an easy stroll to downtown, the University of Vermont, and the Medical Center. A truly central location with quiet residential appeal. A timeless Burlington treasure, where historic character meets thoughtful restoration and a lifestyle that's distinctly Vermont.